Today's spotlight is on the pair of Tomica Nissan Skyline Group C. These came with unconventional boxes with nostalgic movie posters featuring Godzilla. I believe these are unofficial Tomica products, with the entire series comprises of 16 Skyline, and these are produced by a toy shop called Nostalgic Heroes, which still exists today in a limited number of 3,000 units. The Skyline Group C is what I really wanted, so I'm very happy to add them into my collection. Wrap them in tea bags to prevent paint issues. Alright, it's a very basic casting with pristine paint job. The Godzilla livery is basic, it just stamped onto the casting. Build set for this Skyline is also interesting, with minimal or no suspension. Highlight is definitely on the opening rear to reveal the engine compartment in chrome, and I'm very happy that the chrome remains intact after all these years. Just be mindful not to chip the paint when installing the rear back on. Plastic base in 1:64 scale and is made in Japan. Although the casting is basic with almost no details, it's always nice to add the Skyline Group C into my Tomica collection. Next, the Skyline Group C in another variant. This is featuring a 1973 movie poster at a limited number of 3,000, produced by Nostalgic Heroes. The shop still exists in Japan. Just like the yellow version, it's a very basic casting, with a Godzilla livery just carefully stamped on it. The livery of the Godzilla is different as well. Similar expectation, just like the yellow version, except for a different color. Similar opening rear to reveal the engine compartment. Very happy there's no chrome loss, it's still pristine. Similar plastic base, also in 1:64 scale. And it's very interesting that this is the made in China version. Although the Skyline Group C is very basic, they are very compatible. Unofficial Tomica release such as these are interesting. Toy shops in Japan back then and also today has several custom Tomica such as these. The quantity is relatively small in number, and not to mention they are very unique. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!